Good evening. In this session, I would like to explain about the refrigerator and a heat pump thermodynamic cycles. Uh, Here we have two devices, a compressor and this compressor will be used to compress the fuel medium and it will be given to the condenser. And after this condenser, so the pressure will be raised in the compressor and the temperature will be raised, and here Q1 amount of heat will be given out the surroundings. And here throttling device is there, and this after condenser the medium will enter into throttling device, and then it will be enter into evaporator. And in the evaporator, it will take Q2 amount of heat to the medium, and the temperature will be raised, and after that it will go into the compressor. So it is a thermodynamic cycle, cyclic refrigerator or cyclic heat pump, and here Q2 amount of heat will be taken as an input at the evaporator, and the Q1 amount of heat will be rejected to the surroundings. So the compressor here W1 amount of work is done on the compressor. So here this is a thermodynamic cycle, and here we are defining two things. One is refrigerator, and second one is heat pump. And the objective of refrigerator is to take Q2 amount of heat from the vegetables. Q2 amount of heat to the vegetables. And the object of condenser is to reject Q1 amount of heat to the atmosphere. And the coefficient of performance or COP of refrigerator is Q2 is the effect, net effect is Q2. Which are taking Q2 amount of heat from vegetables, and Q1, W1 is the heat work input to the compressor. So, so from the first of thermodynamics, Q1 minus Q2 is equal to J into W. So W1. So Q2 by W1, so Q1 minus Q. This is the coefficient of performance of a refrigerator. So in case of heat pump, the objective of the thermodynamic cycle is to heat like air conditioning, the conditioning a room. For example, if you want to control the temperature of the room, the objective is to, if you reject some heat to the atmosphere, this heat is going to control the temperature of room, for example. For that. So, and then here Q2 amount of heat will be taken from the atmosphere. So atmosphere is heat is taken here, and Q1 will be heating room. So this is the heat pump. So one is Q2 is the objective, it is a refrigerator. If Q1 heating the room is objective, it is a heat pump. So that means that the pumping heat from the atmosphere to the room. So that's why it's called heat pump. The coefficient of performance of heat pump is equal to Q1 is the desired effect. That means I'm going to supply Q1 amount of heat to the room, so that Q1 is the desired effect, and work done is the input work. So Q1 minus Q2. Q1 minus Q2. According to the first law of thermodynamics, W1 is equal to Q1 minus Q2. So there are two things that is about thermodynamic cycles. Like with the help of four devices, we are going to control the complete the effect of taking heat from vegetables like a refrigerator and above the condenser, and then can do like that. So in the evaporator, the medium is being heated, the flow medium is heated, the condenser, this medium is being cooled. And in the compressor, the medium will be raised from lower pressure to higher pressure. So that is about the refrigerator and heat pumps. And that's what I would like to discuss in this small video session. Thank you for watching the video.